guys, welcome back to Haywire RC. Right here we got the LST, got its brand new body. Also we got the Buggy. The Buggy is back, and we had some issues with the starter box. We ended up fixing that, and also we got some new batteries. Got some brand new Z batteries. They're probably the cheapest you can get. We'll see how long those last, but they're pretty good. So we'll put that box to the test. Also, if you haven't checked out last video, I got myself a new DX4R, and right now I got that hooked up into the LST. The Buggy is running off of the DX3 system, which is right back there. It's got a speedo, temp gauge. That also is really cool. You guys already know what we're about to do, so let's go ahead, fire these two guys up, and get going. That was a mistake. Ended up blowing out the light. Also guys, I lost the flag. Sorry about that. Alrighty, got it? Yeah.
Almost got my eyes.
Geez guys, sorry for the clickbait again. Turns out the box is not working at all. I think the belt is completely stripped. There's like, I don't know, I can turn this wheel without like even turning the system. As you can see right here, the motor's not even moving, the belt's like loose. This year, every single video we have, the box doesn't work. We just replaced that belt because we broke it earlier. We also just replaced the wheel because the wheel was totally worn down. Which now I'm thinking about it, I don't think the wheel's even worn down now. I think it was just because the belt, you know, the new belt that we put on stripped. Yeah guys, so stay tuned for a Buggy video, just not today. Yeah guys, before you know it, it'll look like that. Go ahead, yeah, look at the scratches. They're pretty bad. Got some on the roof. But hey, we're supposed to have fun with these, right? Well guys, it's not a video until you break something. Just take a look at the body. Pretty scratched up. I wasn't too careful. Definitely, I'm a little rusty on my jumps. It's been a while. Yeah guys, so we got an issue with the front end now. Bolts are coming out. As you can see, it's a little hard to see. But that's not looking too good. Yeah guys, turns out the bulkhead just, I guess, stripped out of the screws, which is why the screws are out. And I guess the same thing with the other side. You can see the big gap. It's supposed to be flush. Also, we lost an axle too. You can just see right there, the axle is just spinning while this one's still engaged. And believe it or not, my very crappy repair to fix this arm, it's still held up. I don't know how, it's still there. But I think there is a lot of flex in it, which is why the axle ended up popping out. Because as you can see, the axle popped out. Yeah, not looking too good. There's the axle right there. But really, that's the most damage that happened today. Just the bulkhead coming out of place. Maybe I can just re-tap the screws in. Hopefully I don't need to buy a new one. It's gonna suck. So the engine's running good. I know it says 454. But guess what? It's actually the Mach 2.6. Surprise, surprise. I ended up throwing the 454 head and also swapping the back plate off of the 454. That is the real 454 with the Mach 2.6 back plate and the head. Yeah, I threw this on for looks. I just like this head better. And I threw the back plate on because there's actually a huge air leak. And there's just oil leaking out and there's air getting in. It was just disrupting the tune a lot. But now it's a lot better. It's running good. Also, when I was swapping the back plate, I decided to take out the piston, which thankfully I did. Because it turns out that the little clip that holds in the wrist pin was just missing. I don't even know where it went. And the wrist pin was sliding around the side of the sleeve. And, you know, heating up the side of the sleeve, causing a bunch of seizure marks on the piston and the sleeve. And no wonder why I was thinking this thing was overheating. One, it had a very bad air leak, and two, the piston was just floating in the cylinder. That's pretty much it with the overall update. I'm loving this DX4R. You'll definitely see us more in the videos. And hopefully I'll get back to work on the trophy truck soon, hopefully. I gotta stop breaking the LST first. Yeah, guys, so that'll be it with the video. And I'll see you guys later. Oh no!